Hello students. So this particular small announcement video, students, I am doing it for all the students who have appeared in November 20 Inter-CA examination. Students, at least I can tell you about the Inter-CA income tax paper. This was one of the very tough paper, as it what has been suggested by many of the students. One of the Inter-CA toughest paper for income tax. So what I have decided through the platform of Unacademy, in fact what we all faculties, primarily me, Tarun Rath sir and Vijay Raja sir, we all faculties are coming up with a particular analysis, paper analysis on Inter-CA. Inter-CA paper analysis group 1 on the taxation as well as on law. So I and Tarun Rath sir will be taking income tax and GST respectively, and Vijay Raja sir, he will be taking across the law discussion on the November 20 paper. Students, I can tell you, Inter-CA students, this paper was even a CA final students would have gone in a back foot. This was a kind of the Inter-CA income tax paper, and I'm going to decode each and every part in the tomorrow's session, which is on 7th December, students. I'm going to decode this particular paper for all of you. I will also let you know the way the step markings are going to be done on this particular paper, and you will immensely benefit, those who have given their attempt plus those who are going to appear for January 21 and for May 21 attempt. Secondly, for all the students who have opted out for January 21, Inter-CA students, all the students who have opted out for the January 21 attempt, we have come up with the capsule batch. There is already a capsule batch which is going on for final CA, as well as for capsule batch which is going for Inter-CA for Hindi. So we are doing the final CA capsule batches and Inter-CA capsule batches, which we are doing it in Hindi. Right now we are going to launch the capsule batch, which is known as Ignite, a free capsule batch which is named as Ignite for all the Inter-CA students who have opted out for Jan 21 attempt. Now the subject students in Inter-CA English batch, this is a 100% English batch that would be covered, would be the taxation, both income tax as well as GST, and the law paper covered by Vijay Raja sir. So students, here this capsule batch or the Ignite batch or the revision batch for Jan 21 starts from 8th December. It is roughly around like taxation, it's roughly around 70 hours each subject. So therefore the timetable, students, will be known to all of you in the Unacademy Learning app and Unacademy website. So students, tomorrow 7 December we will be discussing the paper analysis, threadbare analysis of the November 20 Inter-CA paper on taxation and the law, and from 8th December the Jan 21 opt-out batch, a capsule revisionary batch free of cost, is what is going to be launched from 8th of Jan. All the details, students, are given in Unacademy Learning app and Unacademy website. You can go through the same. Take the benefit. Now all those students who are there in final CA or so, if you have got any of your friends and your relatives or your juniors, please do let them know about the same. This is going to be immensely helpful. Tomorrow's session itself will be an eye-opener as to the way the analysis I'm going to do with them. For final CA analysis, pay discussion and all, I'm going to come up very shortly to make this announcement. Just wait for another 24 hours or so. I'll be there to make this announcement. So Inter-CA students, see you then tomorrow. Tomorrow on 7th. I think the timings are also being mentioned. So you can go to the Unacademy Learning app. Income tax I have at 7:15 p.m. in the evening, 7:15 p.m. to 8:45 p.m. You can follow me in Unacademy app, learning app, wherein in my name you can follow me. All the schedules and all you'll come to know over there. See you then, students. Tomorrow, Inter-CA, the paper analysis. Please follow Unacademy Learning app to get all the updates and all. and I'll see you tomorrow with a very important analysis which I'm going to do for an inter-CA paper. I will be covering income tax. I've seen this paper, students. I'm telling you, one of the difficult paper. In fact, final CA students also, just if possible, those who are appearing for final CA, just be there. You will have a very fantastic revision. Just be there and see the kind of a level of question that these people have asked for inter-CA as well. Fine. See you then, students. Thank you very much.